Season 7, Episode 18, Lost Canary, after April 15, 2019, after giving up her criminal past exposed, having her criminal past exposed, Laurel goes Black Siren and goes on a crime spree. There's a lot of action. I believe there's like an Asian chick somewhere. While Dinah aims to bring Laurel in, Felicity refuses to give up on her friend, even summoning Sarah Lance for help. It'd be very interesting if they had a series based on her, but I don't see that happening with Arrow gone. I really wonder about the status of the Arrowverse with this. It's a lot of action. I like the drama, the history, and trying to prove people safe and stuff. I'm trying to remember what else happened. The nerdy chick was like trying to reconcile stuff with her. She was trying to reconcile stuff with the Green Arrow. I was looking for like an artifact earlier on, I think. Not so much Slade stuff. I'm trying to remember the details of the stuff. I was going through like a lot of TV shows at the same time. What are your thoughts? Like, subscribe. I'll just show the. Which episode was they didn't show which episode this was. That's interesting. So they showed the episode for which season, which episode for Arrow, but not for Legends of Tomorrow. Interesting. What are your thoughts? Like, subscribe.